Hey everybody, thank you so much for joining me today. Today I have a new unboxing. I finally caved and ordered the 2 for $24 leggings from Fabletics. And one of the things about Fabletics is you become a VIP member, and every month they send you an email and you either accept the outfit or you decline it. And if you don't decline it, they'll charge you $49. So that's how you get the good deal on the leggings to begin with. But I've heard so many great things about them that it was worth the risk. And you can also cancel your VIP membership. When you sign up for your VIP membership, you also get to spin a wheel. And I'm 99% sure that every time everyone spins the wheel, they get 50% off their entire order. So in addition to my 2 for $24 leggings, I also bought some items 50% off. So that's why it's a little bigger than 2 pairs of leggings, but these prices were great and wanted to give it a try. So here we go. So let's start with the leggings. I actually ended up buying 4 pairs of leggings with the 2 for $24 and then the 50% off, some already reduced prices. These were really great deals, and they had pockets. I love leggings with pockets, so went ahead and thought I would give several pairs a try. The first 2 pairs are the Trinity Leggings. So I have a Trinity mid-rise crop pant with a pocket. I love a pocket to put my cell phone in and keys or whatnot. So I have a pair in the crop and then the Trinity in the full length. So I'll try these on in a moment, but the selling point on these, they had pockets, and they feel really nice. They feel really soft. So I'm gonna try these on. The other pair of leggings is a Mila high-waisted, again with a pocket. Here's the pocket, full length. I love either a crop capri or a full-length legging. So I'll try these on, but these are the Mila. So it'll be interesting to see what the difference between the 2 cuts, the Trinity and the Mila. The third pair of pants, actually, these are not leggings. I saw these I think are more yoga pants, and I believe these were already discounted and then 50% off. I bought these because they just looked, the reviews had talked about how soft they were. Pants. So these are more like a yoga pant. These might be my grocery store shopping pants. Next, I have a Jade muscle tank. So I wanted to try out their shirts to see how those fit. A curved cinch tank. Again, I don't remember the method to my madness, how I decided what to order, but I'm pretty sure this was on sale and then 50% off. So, oh, look at that little cinch right there. It's cute. And the last item I can try on right now. This is kind of a weird impulse buy. So I got this hat. And I felt like people would see me coming. Oh, it's super comfortable. And it's adjustable in the back. So I have a Fabletics hat. It's super lightweight. I love it. I need to adjust it, but it's my new favorite hat. All right, I'm gonna go try on the leggings and the shirts, and I'll be back and let you know how Fabletics fits for me. Here are the first items I've tried on. This is the muscle tank, and it's super soft, comfy, flowy, perfect for a great workout. And then these are the Mila Pants, the long, they go all the way down. They are high-waisted, they come up to here, and they have 2 pockets. They also have a 3rd secret pocket that I found. So I'm excited. These are super comfortable. I like the compression. I like the fabric. Next, I have the Trinity leggings, and these actually feel a little bit softer than the last ones I tried on, which I believe are called Mila. But these are also full-length leggings, pockets on the side. This one has a little detail on the pocket. They're full length and super comfortable. And again, I love the compression on these, and I got the high-waisted as well. So here is the Cinch Tank, and it's super cute. It's not normally what I would buy, so it must have been on sale. I'm not quite sure why I bought this, but I like it. I'm glad I got it. Super cute. I like the cinch. You can cinch it, swish it out. And then these are the same pants that I had on earlier, except for these are the crop version. And it's my favorite length of legging to run in during the summer. So to have a crop pant with pockets, wow, I'm super excited. These will be great for hiking as well. So these might be my new favorite leggings. I feel like I hit the jackpot right here with these pants. That was everything in my very first Fabletics order. Like I said earlier, I have seen the ads for Fabletics for a long time and heard so many great things about them, but I was nervous to actually sign up because I know that it was a subscription service that I would have to go in every month and either order something or decline. But I've actually already declined for this month and it was super easy. Just took a few seconds, honestly. So that part really is not as big a deal as I thought it would be. So if you want to take advantage of the 2 for $24 leggings, I'm going to put a link in the description below. And so that will give you more information. Just remember that it is a subscription. So you either have to order every month or skip a month. So you can skip and your card will not be charged, but you cannot forget to skip. I'll end the video here. Forgot to put my new Fabletics hat back on. Gosh, I love this too. It's super light, super soft. This is gonna be a perfect hat for running. And that's it. That's everything I have to tell you guys about Fabletics. Just check out the link below for more information. And as always, thank you so much for watching and please subscribe.